Hi, welcome back to my journal journey. Today I'm unboxing my quarterly subscription box from Daisy. This quarterly subscription is adulting. So let's find out what's in the box. So to start off with, I really enjoy the colour theme. I think it's really cute. That's something for the pencil nerd. Just kind of perfect for me. Nope, not today. Today I will do all the things and stick it on the later base. Really love those. Definitely going to get used. Okay, then we've got washi tape. And let's see what it says. I'm adulting hard, nailed it. I got this, winging it, did the thing, and then it's back to I'm adulting hard. Really enjoy that, and that will definitely get used. Looking straight at this, which is some sort of pouch which lays out. Then there's a bunch of envelopes. This makes me really quite excited. So I've got money audit, fonts, declutter challenge, when did I last, and Q2 planning. So I think in the Q2 planning it will just be some sticker sheets. And I'll do fonts next. So in this box there's an upper and a lower case of adulting. Quite enjoy the fact that there's both upper and lower case, and they're looking very cute. They will definitely get a lot of use in my everyday journaling practice. Then onto these three. I'm going to start with when did I last, and got some ideas, some recurring tasks. I have something very similar to this in my long-term collections, stuff I need to do each week but never remember. And some really cute stickers. Then declutter challenge. I have got if I get my black journal, so got a stencil, some more stickers, declutter challenge breakdown, and some help with the checklist. Glue here and stick me in your journal, so that's really cute. And then money audits, Just seems quite heavy. The Grumpy Tortoise. That's enough adulting for today. Yep, definitely. So that's a bit of help on this vinyl. Really like that pad. Just a pad full of breakdowns for money. Got another fold out spread with some headers. Another thing to stick in your journal. Savings Champion. That's definitely going to get used. And some ideas. So to sum up, there's some just general planning stickers, some ideas for trackers for recurring tasks, the ideas plus stickers, lots of fun stickers, cute fonts, and some ideas. I really enjoy the big one boxes that have useful ideas. The busy doing nothing box was very similar, and I thought that was absolutely brilliant. Not 100% sure what I'm going to put in my clear case thing. I'm sure I'll find something. Washi tape's an absolute hit, and so are the pencils. I think they're absolutely brilliant. So they're all the items. I will possibly go and put an example of the stencils in here, just like I did for Busy Doing Nothing, just to show overview of what could be done. But I'm going to do that in a bit because my camera is very low on battery. So there's my initial thoughts. Cute colour scheme, useful practical stencils, really happy with the upper and lowercase font that has been given. So big win. I'll see you in a bit for when I put my stencils and stuff in my subscription box.